Hey everybody, it's Will from Will Downs Photography. In this video, we're going to go over the 7 items every photographer should have in their photography bag. First up, we have lens cloths, microfiber lens cloths. These are relatively cheap. You can buy them on Amazon, a dozen or so for 10 bucks. These are great for wiping off the front of your lens. Get some dust on there, get some moisture. Cheap, disposable. Don't reuse them too long. Next is shower caps. I get these from the dollar store. Get 6 for $1. They're great for those surprise little rain showers. They're a whole lot easier to put on your lens than your lens cap and can remove quickly when that shot comes up. Cheap, effective, disposable. Zeus lens wipes. These alcohol-based lens wipes are great for wiping off your front element, your LCD screen, or even your viewfinder. Because they're alcohol-based, they do evaporate. Remember, these are one-time use items. Dispose of them after you're done. Next up is a microfiber cloth. I get these from Amazon. I get a pack of 6 for about $8. These are great for putting over your camera body during those surprise rainstorms. Also for wiping off any salt water that may be on your body. Reusable and machine washable. Always have 1 or 2 of these in your bag. Next is intervalometer. A lot of cameras now have these built inside. I actually find that having one external is easier. With these, you can actually set a timer, do continuous shots. They are great for time lapses, star trails. This one is by Newer, costs about $10. I've actually had it for about 3 years. Just remember, always have the batteries for it. The great thing about being so inexpensive, if I happen to break it or lose it, it's not a huge loss. One of the most important items in a photographer's bag is their grotto blower. This is great for any dust that may get on your lens. Always have a grotto with you. About $7 on Amazon. Finally, we have a small rig tool. This tool is great. It has Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and a bunch of little Allen keys in it. This is one of the most important, other than my grotto, that I keep in my camera bag. It's great for on-the-fly repairs to those tripods. You can use it to tighten up your L bracket. Small, lightweight, compact. It just sits in my camera bag. On the side is also a holder for screws, extra screws. Comes in a nice little carrying case, which also has a keyring attachment. You can get this on Amazon for about $28. Well worth every penny. So that's about it. That's about the 7 things that every photographer should have in their camera bag. I'm Will from Will Downs Photography. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below for any future videos you would like to see. Till next time, keep shooting.